Canon continues to produce leading products in the imaging industry. These products are based on optical technology and image processing technology, which are the core technology of Canon. One such product is Image Prograph. By aggregating the technological capability of Canon, we lead the large format printer market. High speed and high quality. Canon achieves a high level of both high-speed printing and high-quality printing. This high level of performance is realized using Canon's unique printhead technology, Fine. By embedding 2 rows with 1,280 nozzles per row, a total of 2,560 nozzles are mounted for one chip. An overwhelming number of nozzles are mounted when compared to competitors. High-density printing with just a single scan, achieving both outstanding speed and quality. Reliability. Canon prevents misprints due to nozzle clogging and reduces waste ink caused by printhead cleaning. The answer is a non-firing detection and compensation system made possible by high-density nozzles. Clogged nozzles are detected before printing. Then, even if a certain area cannot be printed due to clogged nozzles, high-density nozzles are utilized to automatically compensate with another nozzle. Productivity. Canon enables replacement of ink tanks even during printing. This reduces downtime during continuous printing. This is achieved by a sub-ink tank mounted inside the printer body. Even when the ink tank runs out, ink supply continues from the sub-ink tank. Color reproduction. Canon has an extremely wide color gamut, enabling vivid reproduction of photos and posters. This is made possible by the advanced color reproduction technology of Lucia EX ink. With conventional ink, the pigment particles caused nano-level unevenness. This generates diffused light and resulted in pale colors. Therefore, we reformulated Lucia EX ink with even smaller pigment particles. By minimizing unevenness and reducing excessive diffused light, we maximize the vivid color which is inherent in ink. Deep black expression. Canon realizes outstanding black quality, which enhances the impression of photos. This is made possible by the superior high-density characteristics of Lucia EX ink, as well as by technology for improving black quality. With conventional ink, unwanted color is contained in the diffused light. To solve this problem, we added a color material to black ink. This neutralizes the unwanted color mixed in the diffused light, thus realizing black which is clear, deep, and intense. Rich dark expression. Canon excels in color reproduction in dark areas, which is important for the expressiveness of photos. We achieve smooth color reproduction even in dark areas of photos, thus producing a tangible sense of depth. This is made possible by an advanced printing process which considers ink characteristics. The order of ink placement sometimes causes unwanted reaction of ink and prevents optimal reproduction of dark colors. In response, we control the order of ink placement based on ink characteristics for each color. Ink is placed in a neat shape, thus realizing optimal printing of dark colors. Even in areas prone to being lost in blackness, we realize faithful reproduction of gradations. Superb color stability. Consistent color is achieved even when allocating multiple outputs or when printing repeatedly. This is achieved by a dedicated color density sensor equipped with Canon's optical technology. The 3-color LED conducts precise detection and analysis. thus adjusting the amount of ink fired to the standard value. This process adjusts for changes in output color due to aging. Furthermore, the measurement deviation of each sensor is reduced and adjusted to a single criterion, thus adjusting differences in output color even across multiple printers. Low ink cost. Efficient generation of images using a small amount of ink makes it possible for Canon to reduce the cost of printing. This is made possible by the superior color reproduction efficiency of Lucia EX ink. Lucia EX ink has a high surface tension, which means that the pigment particles in the ink adhere to the surface of media. The result is efficient absorption of light by pigments. This enables efficient color reproduction using a small amount of ink. High speed and high quality printing of 8-color model. For 8-color models, 2 print heads are used for symmetrical placement of ink color. By applying ink in the same order for both passes of bidirectional printing, we reduce subtle color differences, which are caused by differences in the order of ink layers. High-quality printed images without modeling are realized even when using fast printing mode with fewer passes. High-quality text and line drawing. Canon 5-color models clearly reproduce small text and fine lines used in CAD drawings. This is made possible by the reactive ink system, which reduces black bleeding. Processing is also performed to ensure the sharpness of text and lines. Attribute information in printing data is read, and image processing is performed to heighten the visibility of outlines. Black text and lines are clear and easy to read. The clarity of outline characters is enhanced. Bleeding of the color background is prevented. Printed text and lines are easy to read. Canon realizes accurate line art without deviation, even when using fast printing mode with few passes. Even a slight difference in the gap between the paper and print head may cause a deviation in the placement position during the forward and backward passes of bidirectional printing. Canon uses a sensor mounted in the carriage to detect differences in the gap between the paper and head. The timing for firing ink droplets is optimized to ensure accurate placement of ink. This realizes printing of accurate line art without deviation. The Image ProGraph large format printer series is backed up by Canon's core technology. With their high performance and quality, they provide powerful support for our customers' business.